What is up, gamers, and welcome back to the channel. If you are currently in the market for a top-tier, zero-compromise, pre-built gaming PC that completely destroys modern titles at 1440p and pushes beautifully into 4K territory, you have clicked on the exact right video today. We all know how stressful it can be to drop a significant amount of money on a gaming rig. You want to make sure you are getting the absolute best performance, the highest quality components, and a system that is completely future-proofed for the next generation of gaming. Well, today we are taking a deep, detailed dive into an absolute monster of a machine from the 2026 lineup, the Skytech Gaming King 95 gaming PC. This specific configuration features the highly anticipated AMD Ryzen 9850X3D, paired with the brand new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, packing 16 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM. Whether you are a hardcore competitive gamer who needs maximum frame rates, a heavy-duty streamer, or a content creator looking for a powerhouse workstation, this desktop is designed to handle absolutely everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Before we get into the nitty-gritty benchmarks, thermals, and specific hardware details, I want to let you know that I have placed a direct link to this exact Skytech Gaming King 95 model right down in the video description below. If at any point during this video you decide this is the PC upgrade you have been waiting for, click that Amazon link to check the current pricing, shipping details, and availability. It is an affiliate link, so using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, which allows me to keep buying this hardware and bringing you these in-depth reviews. Now, let's crack open the specs and see exactly why this desktop is boasting an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 450 verified buyers on Amazon. Let us start with the aesthetics, the exterior design, and the overall build quality, because let's be entirely honest with ourselves. If you are spending serious cash on a high-end pre-built desktop, you want it to look like a premium piece of modern technology sitting on your desk. You don't want a boring black box. The Skytech King 95 comes in this incredibly gorgeous, sleek King 95 Black computer tower. For those of you who are familiar with custom PC cases, the King 95 utilizes a highly sought-after dual-chamber chassis. What this means is that the 850-watt power supply and all of those thick, messy cables are hidden completely out of sight in a separate compartment in the back. This leaves the front viewing area completely clean and unobstructed. Measuring in at 18.7 by 11.8 by 17.4 inches, it has a substantial, commanding physical presence that demands attention. It features beautiful, wraparound tempered glass panels that give you a crystal-clear, uninterrupted view of all those glorious internal components and customizable RGB lighting. And the best part? Right out of the box, Skytech makes it incredibly easy for you to get started. Alongside the power cord and the quick start guide, they actually include a gaming keyboard and mouse. While I know that most hardcore PC enthusiasts will eventually upgrade to their own custom mechanical keyboards and ultralight gaming mice, having these peripherals included means this is a true plug-and-play experience on day one. You literally just unbox it, hook it up to your monitor using the included DisplayPort or HDMI ports, boot up the pre-installed Windows 11 Home operating system, and you are immediately ready to start downloading your massive Steam library. Now, let us move inside the case and talk about the absolute beast beating at the heart of this machine. Skytech did not just throw any random processor in here to cut costs. They equipped this rig with the flagship AMD Ryzen 9850X3D, sitting right on the modern AM5 socket. If you follow PC hardware news, you know that the X3D chips from AMD are currently the undisputed kings of gaming performance. This 8-core processor features AMD's revolutionary 3D V-cache technology. But what does that actually mean for you as a gamer? It means the CPU has a massive pool of memory physically stacked directly on top of the processor chip. This allows games to access data instantly, resulting in significantly higher frame rates, insanely smooth 1% lows, and virtually no micro-stuttering in heavily CPU-intensive games. Titles like Microsoft Flight Simulator, Cyberpunk, or CPU-bound multiplayer shooters like Warzone, Apex Legends, and Valorant run flawlessly. The processor operates at a blazing fast base clock of 4.6 GHz, but when the system demands it during intense gaming sequences, it will automatically boost all the way up to a staggering 5.6 GHz maximum speed. Because the 9850X3D is such an unyielding powerhouse, keeping it cool is an absolute top priority for system stability. Skytech completely nailed this aspect by including a massive 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler. A 360mm AIO water cooler is exactly the tier of cooling you want for a high-end Ryzen 7 processor. It ensures that even during those intense, multi-hour summer gaming marathons or heavy 4K video rendering sessions, your CPU temperatures will stay incredibly low. Your processor will not thermal throttle, meaning you get maximum performance 100% of the time. Plus, those 3 ARGB fans mounted on the radiator add an incredible lighting aesthetic that bounces beautifully off the black interior of the King 95 case. However, we all know that an incredible gaming PC needs much more than just a fast CPU. So, let us talk about the crown jewel of this build, the dedicated graphics card. Plugged directly into the high-speed PCIe Express slot is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. And this is not just your standard GPU. This specific model comes loaded with a massive 16 GB of blazing fast GDDR6 VRAM. Why is 16 GB of VRAM so critically important in today's gaming landscape? Over the last couple of years, modern AAA game engines have become incredibly demanding when it comes to high-resolution texture memory. If you are playing games on ultra or cinematic settings, especially at 1440p Quad HD resolution or higher, you absolutely need that extra VRAM to prevent ugly texture pop-ins, stuttering, and fatal game crashes. The RTX 5070 Ti with 16 GB hits the absolute perfect sweet spot for modern gaming. With this GPU, you are going to absolutely dominate 1440p gaming. You can max out the graphical settings on virtually any game on the market today and expect ultra-high competitive frame rates. Furthermore, thanks to NVIDIA's incredible DLSS frame generation and highly advanced ray tracing cores, you can even hook this PC up to a 4K gaming monitor or your living room OLED TV and enjoy a buttery smooth, hyper-realistic 4K gaming experience. The lighting, the shadows, the reflections, everything looks breathtaking. Whether you're exploring massive, graphically intense open worlds or relying on split-second reaction times in highly competitive ranked matches, the RTX 5070 Ti delivers flawless visual fidelity and responsiveness. To perfectly complement and keep up with that top-tier CPU and GPU combination, you need incredibly fast memory and ultra-responsive storage. Skytech has generously packed this system with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, running at an incredibly fast memory clock speed
of 6,000 MHz. If you look at the benchmarks for the AMD AM5 platform, 6,000 MHz is universally considered the absolute optimal sweet spot for both system stability and peak gaming performance. 32 GB is also the definitive modern standard for high-end rigs. It gives you more than enough headroom to play highly demanding, memory-hungry games, while simultaneously having Discord open, running OBS for streaming to Twitch or YouTube, and keeping 24 Google Chrome tabs running in the background, all at the exact same time without your PC ever slowing down or feeling sluggish. For your storage needs, you are getting a massive 1TB Gen 4 NVMe solid-state drive. Gen 4 NVMe SSDs are mind-blowingly fast, meaning your Windows 11 operating system will boot up from a cold start in just a matter of seconds, and those frustratingly long game loading screens will become virtually non-existent. While 1TB is a fantastic starting point for your main games and applications, the King 95 case and the underlying motherboard offer plenty of room for future expansion if you ever want to simply drop in an extra hard drive or a secondary SSD down the line. Powering all of these high-end, thirsty components is an 850-watt gold-rated ATX 3.0 power supply. Having a modern ATX 3.0 power supply with an 80+ gold efficiency rating is a massive win. It means your system is receiving incredibly efficient, highly stable, and clean power, which is vital for handling the transient power spikes of modern graphics cards and ensuring the long-term lifespan and longevity of your expensive RTX 5070 Ti 16GB and Ryzen 9850X3D. Moving on to the connectivity and the overall peace of mind, this desktop has you fully covered on all fronts. It features standard high-speed Ethernet for the lowest latency connection possible during those sweaty competitive gaming sessions, but it also includes built-in Wi-Fi 5 technology. So even if your internet router is located all the way in another room and you simply cannot run a hardwired Ethernet cable through your house, you can still connect wirelessly right out of the box and start downloading your games with zero hassle. The motherboard is also loaded with multiple USB 2.0 and high-speed USB 3.0 ports, giving you plenty of connectivity for all of your streaming gear, high-end microphones, webcams, and external storage drives. Finally, we need to address one of the biggest concerns people have when buying a pre-built PC: reliability and customer support. This is where Skytech Gaming really steps up to the plate and shines. The Skytech King 95 comes fully backed by a comprehensive 1-year warranty covering both labor and parts. But more importantly, it includes lifetime free technical support directly from the manufacturer. If you ever run into a weird software issue, a random Windows glitch, or a hardware question years down the line, you have a dedicated professional team available to help you troubleshoot and fix it. It is honestly no surprise at all that this exact model holds a fantastic verified rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 450 customer reviews on Amazon and consistently ranks as a top seller in the highly competitive tower computers category. The gaming community heavily agrees. This is a finely tuned, brilliantly well-built machine that delivers on all of its promises. So, what is the final verdict? If you want a dedicated gaming, multimedia, and personal workstation that utilizes the absolute best hardware of 2026, brilliantly combining the CPU gaming dominance of the AMD Ryzen 7 9850X3D with the graphical rendering powerhouse of the NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti 16GB, the Skytech Gaming King 95 is quite simply a phenomenal choice. It is beautifully designed, properly cooled with a massive 360mm liquid cooler, and built using standard, upgradable components that will last you for years to come. If you are finally ready to upgrade your outdated setup, treat yourself and experience PC gaming exactly how it was meant to be played, do yourself a huge favor and click that link in the description below to check the current price and pick yours up on Amazon today. If you found this detailed review helpful in making your buying decision, please do me a solid and smash that like button. It really helps out the channel with the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to subscribe for more high-quality tech reviews, custom PC build guides, and gaming content coming your way very soon. And before you go, let me know down in the comments below, what is the very first game you would install and play on this absolute beast of a gaming PC? Thanks so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you all in the next video.